Hello, I'm Pankaj and I am living in United States. I am originally from Gujarat. Objective of this video is to give some genuine feedback on Ruchir Gupta's Gain Cycle courses that I have purchased from him over the last several years. In 2018, I came into contact with Ruchir, and at that time he was teaching gain cycles on some of the Indian stocks and commodities like gold and silver and crude oil. He was teaching through seminars in different Indian cities. He showed me how his cycle works on one of the Indian stocks. Then I asked him to find cycles in USA stock market, particularly Nasdaq, and teach me. He found three cycles in Nasdaq, and he taught me three cycles, which comes ranging from every few months to few years. Uh, Benefit of this type of the cycle is that you know in advance when the cycle is coming and what accuracy of that cycle is and how much percentage you can gain if you invest in that particular stock or instrument. If you invest using options and using this type of the cycle, then I think you can make you can gain handsomely. Drawback of this type of the cycle is that you have to wait until the cycle arrives. So if you have several cycles on several different instruments, then you can mark your calendar and you are set for the whole year. Another cycle that he provides is the 10-year cycle, which is my favorite since I invest in long term. I remember at the end of the 2018, he gave me two USA IT stocks that were likely to increase about 30% plus in 2019. In 2019, based on the ninth year of the decade cycle. Um, I did not invest in those two stocks because I was somewhat skeptical, and one of the well-known Vedic astrologer at that time predicted stock market crash in 2019. However, there were only couple hiccups in the stock market that year, but not crash. And due to that, the stock market remained flat. But the two stocks that Ruchir gave me, one gained 31% and another gained 60%. So uh, if imagine if you have invested using the year-long call option in this type of the cycle, then I believe that one can make money in multifold. Recently, Ruchir found a gain cycle which gives 4 to 6 turns per month. With this cycle, you can predict like Gann did 1929 yearly Dow Jones prediction. You can predict that well in advance. I have seen this cycle works, and this cycle operates also in several instruments like oil, S&P, Nifty, etc. This is a highly accurate cycle, and someone who is a short-term trader and knows how to trade futures and options, I think he or she can make good money using this cycle. One of the good thing about Ruchir's teaching is that he gives accuracy based on historical performance, and also you know in advance how much minimum gain is expected from trading a particular cycle. He spends times to make sure that you understand the cycle, and he also tends to deliver more than what he promises. So guys, this is my genuine feedback on Ruchir Gupta's Gain Cycle courses. Thank you and have a nice day.